Hey guys, how's it going? I want to share another little recipe here with you, something pretty simple that I like to make. I've been making for a while. And that is tater tot casserole. So, got a bag of tater tots here. I lined the bottom of a dish with them and already cooked them for like 20 minutes. You can cook them like halfway or all the way. They're going back in anyways. But that's just the bottom layer. And so I put them in there for like 20 minutes, 450 is what the bag said. But you're probably going to use almost a whole bag. I do when I make them, so that was almost half the bag. You can use different dishes, you know, glass, metal. I don't know about the exact size, but you know, you want to make sure that it's deep, at least. And then what I did was I browned a pound of hamburger, which I probably should have drained the grease and I didn't, so I'll pay for that, but that's fine. So we got ground a hamburger, or a pound of hamburger, ground hamburger, or you could use turkey burger, whatever. And I put cream of mushroom, cream of chicken, and a whole can of mixed vegetables in there. Mix it all together. And I'm going to add some cheese and mix it in there too. Shredded cheddar cheese. Stir it around. Wow. Okay. So basically, I don't know how I'm going to do this one-handed here, but we'll find out. Maybe I can move this foot over here. So now I'm going to dump this mixture in there on top of all that. Okay. And yeah, this is going to be very fattening, but I really like it. If you like meat and potatoes, it's very filling, and this will probably last me a while. I'll eat leftovers. So just kind of spread it around there. Now, going to start layering the rest of the tater tots on top of it. So, they don't gotta be perfect, it doesn't matter, but just start putting them on there. I'm not gonna try to be too particular about it. It's gonna all get messed up anyways when you get it out and put it in a plate or a bowl or whatever. Almost got them all in there. I'm just gonna try to use them all. That's it. This bag is empty. It's like trash. Hands are really greasy. Okay. Anyway, now I'm gonna take more cheese, put it on top of that. I gotta switch hands here, see if I can do it better with another hand. Try to spread them evenly. Okay. That looks good to me. So I'm going to put that back in the oven for like 20 minutes. Basically everything's cooked except for the tater tots I just put on top, so they got to cook. And then all the cheese will melt and take it out, and it's going to be great. And I like to have sour cream with it, and chives is nice with it too. But you can mix it up and do a lot of different things. This is just a basic recipe, but so get the oven set to 450 degrees. It's probably too heavy for me to balance one-handed. think I'll just stop the video here, and that's tater tot casserole. God bless.